Well, welcome everybody. We are having an announcement. This is our first opportunity to assemble as many people as possible in Second Life in a place that is now permanently in Second Life. This is are we calling it the Sun Island? The Fantasy Island? What are we calling this place?
Sun Pavilion.
The Sun Pavilion. How boring. All right, this is the Sun Pavilion. We're going to call this the Sun Pavilion. It's on Sun Island. All right, so Sun Island sounds better. You know, when you think about it, these stupid 2D little windows on a screen things that we've had since the 60s, you're frozen in this metaphor of everything's a sheet of paper on the desktop, and that's why Second Life exists, to break out of this.
Regard to Java technology as a development technology for online games as well as any other sort of game. Today we're already seeing certain MMOs as well as first-person shooters as well as casual parlor games all being developed in modern Java today. So if you head over to javagaming.org, you'll actually see an entire community there doing the advancement of Java technologies for high-performance game development. So the idea behind Project Darkstar was to look at building a common server framework to facilitate many different types of games, from person-to-person card games to MMO-style games, all utilizing a common back-end. And all this kind of speaks to what John was talking about, which is taking advantage of distributed computing, looking at many systems together and being able to facilitate many different types of experiences simultaneously.
John, do you see any developer training in Second Life in the future?
Yes, we're going to put developer training in Second Life. Come dressed as you will. But we want to have a place where people can try out code, hold competitions. Well, that's good. So in the grand spirit of this, usually the reason we in the physical world have these press conferences where somebody sits down and takes notes and other people stand up and talk. I myself think this is all just an artifact. So why don't you guys come on up on stage and look around at the car, and Chris has got the phones, and we can point you to where the people are that created these things. Come talk to Philip. We're going to keep this island open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, loaded up with videos and pointers to all the technical stuff inside Sun. We're going to be working closely with Second Life and Linden Labs and coming up with a real way to take this kind of compute power and amplify everything that Philip has so brilliantly built, or actually Philip has allowed you to so brilliantly build.